Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. In today's video, I'll be showing you all a gift idea which you can give to couples, maybe on their wedding, their engagement, their anniversary, any occasion for that matter. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. To begin with, we need a thin cardboard sheet and along with that a quote which I found from Google and created this artwork using Canva and took a printout. Along with that, I have this couple cutout sticker which I had bought long back, and we need double-sided tape as well as magnet tape which you'll get in Exhibit C. So yes, let's begin. First, I'm going to stick this quote to the thin cardboard sheet using double-sided tape which will give it a embedded look. So let's do that. Now I have put double-sided tape on all four sides, so let's stick it to one side of the sheet, and yes, let's do that. And now it's time to stick the couple cutout sticker, so yes, let's use double-sided tape for this as well. So we are done with both. Now the next step is to stick a colored sheet at the back of this. So yes, let's do that. Let's just stick it first, then I'll tell you what you have to do. I've stuck it to the color sheet and now let's cut it out. As you can see, this is ready now. The only thing left is to stick this magnet tape. So let's do that, and then our gift will be ready. As you can see, I have a Godrej cupboard here, and let me stick it to that. You can see, amazing. It's just amazing.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.